Mink are famous for their fur. They're now emerging as potential carriers of the Wuhan virus. Denmark is the world's biggest producer of mink fur. It has decided to cull 17 million mink. Close to 3 million have already been culled. Farmers have questioned the need for the move. The Danish Prime Minister has apologized. The problem is not limited to Denmark, though. Outbreaks in mink farms have been reported in 6 countries. Here's a report.
These animals find themselves dominating global headlines. Mink, found in Europe and America, are farmed for their fur. They are now being seen as a potential risk for the spread of the Wuhan virus. Outbreaks have been reported in mink farms in 6 countries: the Netherlands, Denmark, Spain, Sweden, Italy, and the United States. But why are these mink farms emerging as hotbeds? Reports say densely packed conditions on the farms provide favorable conditions. This could mean that the virus gets amplified in ways that could help it mutate, and which is why governments are considering tough measures. Denmark last week decided to cull all of its 17 million mink. The fear is that a mutated coronavirus strain could jump to human beings. This could mean that the virus would bypass Wuhan virus vaccines. Some 2.85 million mink have already been culled in Denmark. After they are culled, the mink are buried in layers of lime. Denmark is the world's biggest producer of mink fur. More than 1 in 5 farms in the country have reported infections. The Danish Prime Minister has now apologized for the mass mink culling. The Danish government has admitted that there was no legal basis for the mass culling. The fur industry has questioned the science behind the decision. Opposition parties say the culling should not have been started before plans for compensation were put in place. The Danish Veterinary and Food Administration apologized to mink farmers in a letter but said it still recommended the culling. The United States is watching the developments in Denmark very closely. Since August, more than 15,000 mink in the United States have died due to the Wuhan virus. US officials say they do not plan to cull the animals and are monitoring the situation in Denmark. Around a dozen farms are being kept under quarantine. In the Netherlands, a study says humans carried the virus onto mink farms. The report published in the journal Science says this led to 68% of fur farm workers and their close associates contracting the infection. The Wuhan virus has also infected cats, dogs, lions, and tigers. But experts say mink appear to be the most susceptible animals so far.
To be continued. Give support to me by subscribe my YouTube channel. Do check out my video and subscribe to my channel. I would like to hear your feedback.